So in this video, we're going to look at Gmail labels. Now, what exactly are Gmail labels? In a nutshell, they're just like folders. The only difference is you can add multiple emails to multiple folders, or you can add a single email to multiple folders. So how do you create labels? Now, there are three different methods of creating a label. So we'll show you each and every one. The first one is just by selecting a single email and click on Move To and Create New. We create a label from here. Another method is clicking the More drop-down box, going to the bottom and clicking on Create New Label. And the last one is clicking on Settings and going down to Settings, and along the top line there, click on Labels and scroll down to the bottom and Create New Label. And you'll see we end up in the same place each time. So we can create a new label in that box there. So let's go back to the inbox, and we've selected that email you can see there. So let's create a label this way. So let's name this label Gmail. You can also create another label to nest it under. So you've got a main category and you've got a subcategory. Okay. So we'll create the Gmail label. And you see it says there, it has been created. So now we'll click on the drop-down box there and click on Gmail label, which we created before. And now you can see that that email is labeled Gmail, just where the cursor is. Okay. Now you can see it has two labels. One is in the inbox and one is labeled Gmail, which we've just created. And if we just click on Gmail there, that label, you will see that that email is in fact sitting under the Gmail label, and it also tells you it is in the inbox. Okay. So let's just change the color of the label now, and let's click on the label button and click on label color, and let's click on the orange one here. And there you can see that Gmail label has in fact turned orange. The purpose of this is just so you can easily find the various labels that you're going to choose. So here we're in Labels in Settings again. And if we want, we can edit the label there. And let's change the name. Let's just call this one now, let's just call it Test. So we're changing the name of the label from Gmail to Test. You can see it's been changed, and in that column there it says Test instead of Gmail, I beg your pardon. And in the inbox you can see that orange label is now called Test, which stands out quite easily. I'm sure you agree. And that is, in a nutshell, a short video on Gmail labels.